wild bird that's my friend. Likes to get high with me. If he knows I'm smoking a cigar, he'll come and want to get a couple drags off it. So I'm just gonna go out here and chill out by my fire pit and wait for him to come. Ooh. Come on, little buddy. Come on. I can hear you. Bring your ass over here so I can feed you. Hey, call your bird. There he comes. He wants a couple drags off the cigar. He's been hiding from me. Heathen, you leave his ass alone. Come here, bud. There he is. Hey, buddy, check it out. I got a cigar for you. Get back, heathen. Go ahead. You can take a couple drags. He wants to get it. No, he's addicted. Tell me that fucking ain't cool. Little bastard. He's a little addicted to Swisher Sweets. Good thing I got a good pit bull. Don't even look at him. That's a cool bird.
Come here.
How many of those you shove down his throat?
Huh?
How many of those you gonna shove down his throat?
Yeah, but easy, don't shove down, so I put on his beak and he grabs it. He won't grab it.
Poor thing won't fly away. No, he wants a cigar. Here, man. One another hit. Yeah, get another hit. There you go. Woohoo! Get a big one. That's a big old hit. He's addicted. This little sucker will jump on my head, try to steal my cigars from me. Just don't want him getting burnt. One more. There you go. That was a good hit.
Heathen.
Heathen. What's his name?
Triton.
Triton. He's a cool bird.
Heathen.
He's the coolest bird we've ever had.
Heathen.
Alright, Triton. I'll show you off. I'll put you on YouTube now. Fly away. Woohoo!
You done? Yeah.
Who's that? Triton. Come here, bud. Come on. Come on. Yeah. You could fly away, bud. You can fly wherever you want. I'll be sad when this sucker dies. He's so cool. He's just a baby.
I lived for 22 freaking years.
Alright. That's enough of that, bud. That's enough of that. I'll film you. Okay, you ready? Go! Yep.